United Nations chief affirms support from South Korea for denuclearize North Korea. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma asked Amir Khan on Friday to postpone Assam visit. United Nations chief met South Korea president and affirmed support for denuclearize North Korea on 12th of August 2022. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres on 12th of August proclaimed unwavering United Nations commitment to a fully denuclearized North Korea. Even as a divided Security Council allows more room for the isolated country to expand its nuclear weapons and ballistic missile programs. Meeting South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol in Seoul of South Korea, Guterres said he affirms the United Nations' clear commitment to the full, verifiable and irreversible denuclearization of the Korean Peninsula and the DPRK, using the initials of North Korea, formal name, the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. There is a fundamental objective to bring peace, security and stability to the whole region, he told Yoon, while also praising South Korea's participation in international peacekeeping efforts and fighting climate change. Guterres, who arrived in South Korea on Thursday, later met with South Korean Foreign Minister Park Jin, who said the UN-led international community should be communicating a stern and unified message to North Korea that its nuclear ambitions won't be tolerated. Jameson Teron report on International Kirby Daily News. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma asked Amir Khan on 12th of August to postpone Assam visit for promoting his movie. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma asked Amir Khan on 12th of August to postpone Assam visit for promoting his movie. Sources said that Mr. Khan wanted to visit Guwahati to promote his movie, but Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma asked Amir Khan on Friday to postpone his visit to Assam. Hindi movie superstar Amir Khan new release Lal Singh Chaddha is in the headlines. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that Amir Khan wanted to visit Assam on 14th of August, but since the state is observing the Har Ghar Tiranga initiative from August 13 to 15, he has asked him to postpone his proposed visit to a later date. Now Khan said that he will visit Assam whenever CM invited him. In this connection, he is likely to visit Assam on 16th right after 75 Indian Independence Day. Whenever Amir Khan visits, the Chief Minister will also watch the film with him and his entire crew if they all come to Assam, Mr. Sarma has told the actor through phone calls. Jameson Teron report on updates in Assam, Kirby Daily News.